Michael Porter described the generic strategies in his 1985 book, Competitive Advantage: Creating and Sustaining Superior Performance. Porter's theory offers 4 strategies organizations can choose from, namely cost leadership, differentiation, cost focus, and differentiation focus. With cost leadership, you target a broad market or large demand and offer the lowest price possible. With differentiation, you target a broad market as well, but your product or service has unique features. With cost focus, you target a niche or focused market with little competition and offer the lowest price possible. With differentiation focus, you target a niche or focused market as well, but your product has unique features. Many companies don't opt for just one single strategy, but choose a more hybrid strategy that uses different components of these 4 generic ones. Find a full explanation on Porter's generic strategies with a 4-minute in-depth video and a practical scientific article on our website toolshero.com.